Hey everybody, Grandpa Rails got a mail call here from my brother Sparky by way of Frank Neher. Since I didn't get to go to the meet and greet in Canada, Frank volunteered to help Sparky get some of the stuff that was won on the what do I want to say, the car giveaway. Well, it's not really, it was, I guess it was a giveaway, we were bidding on it anyway, to help with the meet and greet. And I got this box, and I didn't think my car weighed that much. This box weighs 4 pounds, so I don't know if he put a scrap load in this thing or what. But we'll start off, and we got a t-shirt here. So, I don't have my stand, it's in my truck, and the truck's gone at a football game, and it's cold outside. So, first off, here is the winning car that I placed a bid on. I won that. And we'll get it out on the box here. We'll do this. Ooh, huh. Hey, why don't you enjoy some Firehouse whiskey while I set this up? Ross, can you hold me up there a little bit? There, we're good. All right, I'll get this out of the box. Okay, and here we have the scrap gondola from OVR Trains. It's their own design, and I forget who did the graphics for Sparky. But he did a great job, and it was a real quick. This is one I wanted because it said to meet and greet on it. Now, looks like there's some extras here, so we'll set this over here again. Let me get this out and put that up. Okay, now. Okay, and now we have a t-shirt. There's the front of it, and this is the back side, and that's a new shirt that he's got, and I've been gonna need one because the other ones I have are kind of fading out. That's very cool. Thank you so much. Now, what have we got in here? Oh wow, got a meet and greet tumbler. Hi. Is there something else in there? Yes, there is. What do you got down in there? In the box. And a meet and greet mug. Thank you very much, brother. Wasn't expecting these extras. And what else do we got inside here? We got some stickers. I thought it was cream and sugar there for a minute since this was a coffee cup. And let's see, I can get that one out. And then we got this one. All right, everybody. There we go. Let's set these up like that. Can't get the shirt in the shot, but anyway, I want to say thank you to Frank for bringing this stuff over and shipping it down to me. And thank you very much to my brother Sparky for the gifts and for putting on the meet and greets, because he does such a wonderful job doing those. And I only got to make it to one, but man, they were great. And I understand that Tammy and Ray are going to be taking over, so I know we're going to continue on great success with these meet and greets. I can't wait to go to one of theirs. Anyway, again, thank you again to Frank and to my brother Sparky, and we will see you all later.